Hi, I am Alvaro Barrios, family nurse practitioner, certified functional medicine practitioner, and founder of Restore Your Health Functional Medicine.
Are you ready to bring wellness from within? This is Restore Your Health Functional Medicine, focused on healing the root cause of illness.
One of the questions I get asked the most is, what is functional medicine? And why is it so different from the traditional approach to healthcare? In this video, I am going to explain it to you in a simple way and show you why functional medicine is helping so many people finally get answers and truly heal. Let's start here. In traditional medicine, the focus is often on diagnosing a disease and treating it, usually with medications or surgery. Now, these things absolutely have their place and can be life-saving. But what if you are struggling with chronic issues, fatigue, gut problems, brain fog, hormone imbalances, autoimmunity? Too often, the answer is to treat symptoms without looking deeper. That is where functional medicine comes in. Functional medicine is all about finding the root cause of illness. Instead of just asking, what disease does this person have? We ask, why is this happening? What is driving these symptoms? We look at the whole person, not just a diagnosis or a body part. We explore how nutrition, gut health, stress, sleep, hormones, environment, and genetics all play a role in your health. Think of it like this. Your body is one whole, interconnected system. If one area is out of balance, it affects everything else. For example, if your gut health is poor, it can cause inflammation that affects your skin, your mood, your energy, and even your immune system. Or if your hormones are imbalanced because of chronic stress or poor nutrition, you may experience fatigue, weight gain, or anxiety. Functional medicine connects all these dots instead of just treating one symptom at a time. What I love most is that functional medicine is personalized. We don't give the same plan to everyone because no two people are exactly the same. In my practice, we start by listening to your story. We do advanced testing to really understand what's going on inside your body. Things like gut health, hormones, toxins, nutrient levels, and more. Then we create a personalized healing plan which may include nutrition, supplements, stress reduction, lifestyle changes, and sometimes targeted medications, all designed to support your body's natural ability to heal. And the results, they can be life-changing. More energy, better digestion, clearer thinking, balanced hormones, stronger immunity, improved mood, less pain and inflammation. For so many people who have struggled for years without answers, functional medicine helps them finally understand what's going on and how to heal. So if you have been wondering, what is functional medicine? It is a way of approaching healthcare that looks at the whole person, uncovers the root causes, and empowers you to take control of your health. If this resonates with you, if you are tired of treating symptoms and want real solutions, I invite you to follow me here on YouTube and social media, where I share tips on gut health, energy, hormones, and wellness. And if you would like to work together personally, visit my website and book a discovery call. I love to help you on your healing journey. Thank you for watching. I am Alvaro Barrios, wishing you strength, health, and healing. See you next time. God bless you.
Join us next time. Until then, stay well, stay empowered. Visit us at restoreyourhealthfm.com to start your journey to better health.